Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video we are going to talk about the iPhone 12 and is it worth installing iOS 16 beta 1 on your iPhone 12. I have installed it on my iPhone 12 so that you don't have to install it on yours and you don't have to worry of your device getting affected by anything, because I already installed it on mine and telling you if it is worth installing or not. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. Before we get into this video, I would request you guys to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I am coming with a lot of iOS 16 content and trust me, you do not have to miss that. And we are also really close to 10k, so that would be amazing if you could hit that subscribe button. Alright, so talking about the iPhone 12 on iOS 15, I have been using my iPhone 12 on iOS 16 for about a day now. First of all, we are going to talk about the performance. The performance of iPhone 12 on the iOS 16 has been pretty good, not gonna lie. I did not expect it to perform so good on iOS 16 beta 1. I mean, this is the first beta of iOS 16 and the performance is already so freaking good for the first beta. I mean, it is just incredible. Then the other thing which is really important in a beta is stability. The beta 1 of iOS 16 is of course not stable. There are a lot, and by a lot I mean really a lot of bugs and glitches in this update. Of course it is normal, I'm not complaining. Of course you should expect betas to have bugs and glitches when you are installing it on your device. First of all, I would not recommend installing it on your primary device. If it is your secondary device, then only install it on yours. But even if you are installing it on yours, just make sure that your device is backed up and the data is secure, because there are chances of data getting lost. I would not actually suggest you guys to install iOS 16 beta version on your device until and unless it is your secondary device, as I said. But still, even if you want to install this update, just back up your device. Just saying this again and again so that none of you guys complain to me. iOS 16 beta 1 is really amazing update and really stable for it being the first beta. But that doesn't mean that it gives you right to update your device to this beta. Of course you can, but it does not mean that it will be good for you too. There can be a lot of uncertainties. There can be anything which can happen. Literally, even to my device, it can be any second that this device could just break and I could just lose all of my data. So there is a lot of risk while installing a beta version on your device. So just stay aware of it and then install this update. All in all, iOS 16 beta 1 is a really fun and amazing update. I really love this update and there are a lot of new and funky features that I enjoy using on my device. But not gonna lie, there aren't any of those features which appeal me so much. For example, except for the wallpaper UI, for example, on iOS 15, the thing that appealed me so much was the mic mode and video modes. There is not really none of those features, which are small features yet really helpful in daily life. So those are a bit of a drawback, but still, it's just me. So yeah, you may not really care about it, but yes, I really loved iOS 15 just for the sake of those two features. But of course, not gonna lie, iOS 16 is much better update in terms of the quantity of the changes that are here. The new wallpaper UI, the small tweaks, the camera UI having finally on the non-pro iPhones having the normal without just a one tap zoom out thingy on the screen. As you can see, we finally have that pro model type of feel, and now a lot of people, a lot of my friends didn't knew that they could just click on it to have ultra wide view. So exactly, it is such a neat feature and such a neat change. iOS 16 is a really amazing and fun update. I can't wait for more betas to come out and see what Apple's gonna do. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Battery is something I should take about 3-4 days more in order to report, But till now, after a usage of more than a day, about 2 days, like 1.5 days it's been by the time I'm recording this video, that I'm using my device on iOS 16, I would report it on my follow-up that how the battery life is going on right now. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.